Manifest Abundance Now. Rituals That Work. Written by Cantrell Turner. Manifest Abundance Now. Rituals That Work. Introduction. The power of manifestation. In a world filled with infinite possibilities, the ability to manifest abundance lies within every individual. This powerful short book is your guide to unlocking that potential, harnessing the power of intention, and using proven rituals to create the life you desire. Whether your goal is financial wealth, emotional well-being, or a life rich in experiences, the tools shared in these pages will empower you to manifest abundance now. Understanding abundance. What is abundance? Abundance is more than just wealth. It encompasses prosperity in all areas of life: health, relationships, career, and personal fulfillment. To truly manifest abundance, we must first understand what it means for us individually. The science of abundance. Research in neuroscience and quantum physics suggests that our thoughts and emotions significantly impact our reality. When we focus on abundance, we align ourselves with opportunities and resources that bring prosperity. Shifting your mindset from scarcity to plenty. Replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones. Affirmations for abundance. Examples include, I am worthy of wealth and success, and abundance flows to me effortlessly. Preparing for manifestation. Setting clear intentions. Write down your desires in specific and measurable terms. Visualize your goals as if they have already been achieved. Creating a sacred space. Designate a quiet, clutter-free area for your rituals. Incorporate elements that resonate with abundance, such as candles, crystals, or vision boards. Grounding and centering. Practice deep breathing or meditation to calm the mind. Use grounding techniques like walking barefoot or holding a grounding stone. Daily rituals for abundance. Morning manifestation routine. Gratitude journaling. Begin each day by listing 3 things you are grateful for. Positive affirmations. Repeat empowering statements aloud. Visualization exercise. Spend 5 minutes imagining your abundant life. Evening release ritual. Write down any worries or fears and burn the paper to release them. Reflect on your achievements and set intentions for the next day. Powerful manifestation techniques. Scripting. Write a detailed narrative of your life as if all your desires have already come true. The 55 by 5 method. Write your intention 55 times for 5 consecutive days to amplify your focus. Vision boards. Create a collage of images and words that represent your goals. Place it where you can see it daily. Crystal rituals. Use crystals like citron, pyrite, or green aventurine to attract abundance. Hold the crystal during meditation while focusing on your intentions. Advanced rituals for manifestation. The full moon ritual. Harness the energy of the full moon to release negativity and set powerful intentions. Light a candle and write down your desires under the moonlight. Manifestation bath. Use salts, essential oils, and herbs to create a luxurious bath. Visualize abundance flowing to you as you soak. Sound healing. Use singing bowls, chimes, or mantras to raise your vibration. Focus on sounds that resonate with abundance, like the frequency of 528 Hz. Overcoming obstacles to abundance. Identifying limiting beliefs. Write down any negative thoughts about money or success. Challenge and reframe them with positive alternatives. Releasing past trauma. Use techniques like EFT, emotional freedom technique, or journaling to heal emotional wounds. Building resilience. Cultivate patience and persistence in your manifestation journey. Celebrate small wins along the way. Maintaining an abundant lifestyle. Consistent gratitude. Practice gratitude daily to keep your vibration high. Send thank you notes or verbalize appreciation to others. Giving and receiving. Share your abundance through acts of kindness or donations. Be open to receiving gifts and opportunities. Stay aligned. Regularly revisit your goals and adjust as needed. Maintain balance between work, rest, and play. Conclusion. Living abundantly. Manifesting abundance is an ongoing journey. By incorporating these rituals into your daily life, you will not only attract prosperity, but also create a life filled with joy, purpose, and fulfillment. The time to start is now. Embrace your power and manifest the abundance you deserve. To all the dreamers and doers who inspire others to manifest their best lives, this book is for you.